In this video, I'll show you how to search for a video on your TikTok app. So you're looking for a particular video on TikTok and you want to know how to do it? Then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store or your Google Play Store. Make sure your TikTok app has been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now, once you open the app, this will bring you to the For You page here, which will show you the trending videos. So to do a search on your TikTok app, you're looking for this magnifying glass here at the top right, which will basically help you search within TikTok. So go ahead and tap on that. Now here on this page, you'll see what is trending on TikTok, and at the top here, you can search whatever you like. So for example, let's search for CapCut. Now once you start filling in some words, TikTok will give you some predictions on what you're trying to search. You can go ahead and select from here, or you can go ahead and just search what you've typed out. And now CapCut will give you all the results with users, videos, templates, other searches, and so on. Now, if you want to make your search more specific, you can go ahead and tap on the three dots here at the top right, and then tap on filters. Now, using this filter, you can sort your search by the relevance, like counts, or the date posted. In video category, you can have it all, unwatched, watched videos, liked videos, or people you follow. And lastly, you can also filter it by date posted. So all videos, past 24 hours, this week, this month, last 3 months, or the last 6 months. Now using this filter, you'll be able to customize your search results. Now if you go back here, at the top here, you've got different categories which you can search in. So currently it's searching in top, but you can search in the following categories. So the first one is videos. You can search for a user. You can search for a sound. You can search for a specific item in the shop. You can search for live, or you can search your hashtags. And there you go. That is how to search on your TikTok app. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.